party, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today, I always do this, and I'm trying to show other people because look, I know it's hard, and I know everyone wants a ringtone on their phone for other people, and you can't get it for free. So this is a video where you can get it for free. So you can go to TikTok. Let me put the volume down.
I have a
You can go to TikTok, right?
I really,
Alright, so you pick any of a video, like say, so like pick any video, like.
I'm falling in love. She said, "What you know about love? I tell you everything. I got what you need."
So pretend like this
in the
one,
store
right?
and get
So I'm
what
gonna
you
pick this one.
want.
It's like
You get what
so
you
press,
please.
you can only pick the ones that say
She
save
said,
video
"What
right
you
on the
know
front.
about
So
love? I
you
tell you
see
everything. I got what you need.
Press that, you
in the
press
store
done.
and get what you
It says
want.
video save on the bottom.
You
Okay, so you get out of TikTok. You don't need that. You need these two apps: music to ringtone and garbage. GarageBand. Okay, so what you gotta do first? You gotta go to your music to ringtone. You gotta go press load. All right, so you press OK. Then you're gonna press videos from photo album. You pick the one that you saved on TikTok, this one. Okay, right? So you press choose, compare, and then you press save. And then you press share as GarageBand file. Okay? Then you gotta go all the way. So right here, it shows GarageBand for me, but for you guys, since you guys like just downloaded, you guys have to press more, and then it'll show GarageBand. But if you like already did it once, then you could just go right here and press GarageBand, right? Okay, so you just have to press more on the GarageBand. Then it will take you here. So I have a couple. So it would always. So this is my first audio, second, third, fourth. It has it in order. So the one you just did should be right in the front, which is the 7th audio for me. Right? So you press share on the very bottom. You have to, by the way, if I didn't say, you have to hold on it. You don't press on it. Hold on it so it shows this. Do not press delete. And press share on the very bottom. Then press ringtone. Okay. And then it says name of ringtone. So all you have to do is put whatever name. So I'm going to say love. Just for fun. Alright? So you have to press export. One more file, press OK. Then it's exporting as ringtone. So you gotta wait for a little. Okay, it's done. And then you press OK. Kayla! You can get out. Alright, so then right here, if you do that, it shows it right here. Oh, where is it? Okay, it shows right here, down here. Lucas, shh. It doesn't matter. Leave him alone. Alright, so then you press the. I have a couple, so I have mine. And you put a freaking an alarm for like 2 seconds, right? All right, ready? What you know about love, and then it does the song. So this is not cat. Please try this out. You only have to download 2 apps to do this, and then I bet you have TikTok to see the thing. So that's it for the video. Now you guys know how to get free ringtones for free. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.